If you're looking at how to make a dog training cash cow channel, which we'll be going in just a few seconds, I just want to let you know, congratulations, you're in the right place. Watch to the end to see if this niche gets the green light stamp of approval or the red light. Subscribe if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube, and check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint linked in the description below if you are interested in making money with YouTube without revealing your face in any of the videos. So in order to make a dog training niche channel, I want to start out by showing you guys a great one so we could start drawing some inspiration from. Let's switch to viewer mode and let's go investigate on YouTube. Now we have to look up what would someone interested in dog training would look up on YouTube. Now as I looked up how to train a Rottweiler, the first two options seem more appealing as it just shows the Rottweiler, as the third option shows the possible pet owner. So I want to pick a video that doesn't necessarily have a face behind the video. So as the video starts, we have some captioning and we have a cute Rottweiler just laying on his back. And we're about to get introduced to some new training tips. If we see pet owners in this video, this tells me that they're just in that specific part of the video to show them how to train a specific move for that Rottweiler, but that doesn't mean that they're behind the channel themselves. The great thing is that this is free stock footage that you can easily download. You can also have live footage of Rottweilers being trained as well. And there is also voiceovers of just narrating on what's going on with the video and what that specific training does for the dog. Now let's go check out how the video's performance is going. As I scroll down, the channel itself has over 30,000 subscribers and the video itself has close to 200,000 views. Now let's go check out the channel to see the type of content that they're creating and how much they really love dogs. As I scroll down, so we got some videos on how to handle other specific breeds as well. Blue Heeler, we have some other Rottweiler videos. They also have some top 5 and top 10 videos as they're showing the different types of Rottweilers and they're showing different types of cute dogs as well. They also have some versus videos like the German Shepherd versus the Pit Bull, and they also included in their channel some YouTube shorts. I would love to hear from you guys as well. Comment down below, what is your favorite dog breed? Now let's see the channel's monetization. How is it going? Let's check out how many views this channel is earning and how much money they're making in ad revenue alone. So if I go onto this website, I could now look up the channel statistics. As I scroll down, we can see in the past 30 days that this channel has gained in over 500,000 views in just the past 30 days, which is just a great milestone to be achieving. In the monthly revenue, this channel is getting close to $2,500 in the past 30 days. And throughout the year, this channel is getting close to reaching that $30,000 mark. So this channel has shown that this is just one way of making money. They can be also having other ways of making money with their channel as well by promoting other products like dog food, dog training programs, or whatever the case may be dog related. If you are enjoying the content so far, I'd appreciate you guys showing some love with a thumbs up. Now let's see just how easy these videos are to make. No, you do not need the most expensive camera or any camera at all. And no, you don't need to reveal your face in the content itself. Let's collect our stock footage and our sounds and let's go. What do we see? What do we hear? Look at our video up here. Making a video is easier than training your dog for its competition. How'd I do, guys, on my 10-second video? Feel free to let me know in the comment section down below as well. Now it's time to go over, does this niche get the green light stamp of approval or does it get the red light? I would say that the dog training niche does get the green light stamp of approval. There is a large audience of pet owners and dog lovers that would love to watch this type of content. Especially if they have a pain, like if they're trying to learn how to potty train their dog or teach it how to catch a frisbee. I can definitely see the promotion of pet care products in your videos as well as another source of income. A bonus is that these videos are easy to make and YouTube automation serves as a great backbone for this niche. Now the videos that we went over in this video and the channels that we explored, I highly recommend using them as inspiration. Try to be as original as you can when you're creating your own content. This is also just one niche, as there's many other niches that we're going to be exploring in future videos as well. But let's say this is the niche for you. You now have two options. You have option A, you can do this yourself, but you also run into the possibility of wasting your time as you're gonna try and figure out how to do YouTube correctly. And you have option B, you can have the step-by-step guide that helps so many creators become successful with YouTube automation. If this is something you'd be interested in doing, I highly recommend checking out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint linked in the description below. That's it for this video. Watch this video right here as we're going to be going over the next niche to see if it gets the green light stamp of approval or the red light. Subscribe to Tube Grade if you want to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And don't forget to check out that YouTube Freedom Blueprint link in the description below if you are interested in making money with YouTube without revealing your face in any of the videos. Peace out.